ayan, syempre, nagbabalik pa rin po ang paboritong programa ng bawat negosyanteng Pilipino. Ito ang
Pinoy Swapping Barter Negosyo.
At ayan, alam mo ba, Miss Irene, medyo kinakabahan ako dito sa portion na to eh. Itong part na to, magno-nosebleed tayo eh, di ba? Pero ayan, bibigyan kita ng chance ikaw na mag-introduce sa ating kasama aside from Sir Rainier and Sir Carlo.
Oo, siguro yung katabi ko kasi syempre kilala ng ating mga televiewers and ng ating mga listeners din, si Sir Rainier and
Si
of
Sir
course
Carlo.
Sir Carlos. Beside me is from nofeeofw.com. No other than Mr. Hamish Fraser. Hi, good
But
morning.
his screen name is Kano.
Kano.
As in Kano.
Yes.
Kano.
Hi, morning.
Morning. You can use your mic, it's free.
Yes.
Yes,
He's from
thank you.
Australia.
He's from Australia.
Yeah.
Ayan, I'm having nosebleed right now. Okay. Okay. First, tatanungin muna natin si Sir Rainier kasi later natin makakausap itong si Sir Kano kasi baka meron siyang magandang i-offer and i-announce. Pero ito, tatanong lang natin si Sir Rainier. Miss Irene, I know meron kang prepared question for Sir Rainier.
Hindi kasi maraming nag-PPM sa atin tsaka nagtatanong din about, of course, yung sa Focus NZ. Nitong mga nakarang episodes, laging dinidiscuss natin about yung mga nakatapos or those who would like to study, work, and migrate to New Zealand. So, yung mga nagtatanong po sa akin is, what if, let's say, ang natapos ko lang is first year or hindi pa tapos.
Parang undergrad ba?
Undergrad.
Yes,
Or let's say,
undergrad.
mga certificate courses like 1 or 2 years, may mga ganun eh, di ba? Ano po yung natin option?
Sa New Zealand, pwede pa rin naman silang mag-aral. So, yung study to migrate, no? Sa New Zealand, at least pag non-degree holder ka, aral ka ng 2 years, pwede. Tapos after that, after the 2-year course, mabibigyan ka pa rin ng tinatawag na job search work visa and makaka-migrate ka pa rin sa New Zealand.
Pero mahirap po ba yun na, Sir Rainier?
Hindi naman.
Parang almost
pwede
the same
pa
din.
rin siya, no? Pero yun lang 2 years. Now, of course, we're focused New Zealand, no? Right now, baka magkaroon na kami ng focus Australia.
Ayun na, yun na. Yun ang
New
maganda.
Zealand, ngayon naman Australia. That's why we Kano here. Ngayon, we have this school. The name of the school is Cambridge International College. Yan. Meron silang tinatawag ng mga vocational courses. 1 year lang. Yun, pwede kang mag-aral, makakapagtrabaho ka. And basta yung aaralin mo nasa shortage, pwede ka nang makahanap ng trabaho sa Australia after the course. So, kaya mapapansin mo yung pinapromote namin na courses, yung talagang meron ka makuhang trabaho either sa New Zealand or Australia.
O, diba, ang galing Ayan, medyo excuse lang. Pero ang galing ngayon, Sir Rainier is now offering another way to help other Filipinos nga na nais pumunta ng abroad. And doon papasok itong si Sir Kano.
Yes. Yun nga, si Kano, Kano can talk about life in Australia. Baka, di ba, dati pinag-usapan namin, puro New Zealand.
Yes, oo nga.
We were always talking about New Zealand. Now, what about Australia? Kano, maybe you can talk about
share something about
Australia.
Sure. Probably the best thing for me to say about Australia is going to college in Australia is kind of like going to the Olympic Games. You have the best of the best there. You've got the best talent, you've got the best facilities, you've got the best teachers. It's very multicultural. All foreign students are welcomed. 50% of Australia actually, the 50% of the population is actually made up of immigrants. So it's a very welcoming country to go to.
Sir, you have here as Nofi, you're from nofeeofw.com. What is it all about, sir?
Okay, we have a placement agency in Australia. We come to the Philippines every month to recruit workers, skilled workers for Australia. We process them through the POEA and get them jobs in Australia.
Without fee?
That's right. There's no placement fee on this end.
It's that simple, huh?
That's it.
Very simple.
That's simple.
That's
okay,
why,
we're signing now.
No fee.
That's it. Yeah, we've sent 3,000 Filipino workers to Australia already.
What are the jobs available in Australia today? Kasi in New Zealand, we've already talked about the jobs offered in New Zealand. How about Australia, sir?
Australia is similar to New Zealand. We have a lot of skilled construction. We have things from mechanics, carpenters, electricians, draftsmen, and so forth.
Is it also available for business courses like IT, public relations,
Yeah.
management? Is it
Yeah,
open?
IT, there's lots of jobs for programmers in Australia, people with C+ experience, PHP, and so forth.
Do you have any qualifications for those who wanted or who wants to apply for Australia?
The most important thing is obviously the English skill.
Of course.
The
being
English
able to
skill,
communicate
yes.
and
Of
Kung
course.
speak in
mag-a-apply ka na.
Yes, I'm actually resigning now, boss. Where's my resignation letter? No, I would just
English
also
skill.
to like to ask, sir, the qualifications. First, of course, you have to really speak in English, and then next, sir.
Okay, the basic qualifications are you need 3 years or more experience in the industry that you're applying for. The English skill, and you need to have 1 year of college
Okay.
after completing high school.
And it's for free.
For
right.
free.
You were
yeah.
just going to apply at POEA, sir? No.
Yeah, we process all of the workers through the POA in Manila. The reason why it's no fee is we actually get the money from the Australian client to facilitate this. So no charge
To look
here,
for the workers.
and there's no salary deduction.
Kumbaga yung company from Australia ang mag-aasikaso.
Magpi-finance.
Oh, that's why wala pong fee.
So, the reason, ito na, what is the connection of Focus New Zealand with Sir Rainier and the NoFOFW.com or your upcoming tie-up, sir?
Okay. So what we're working together. We're going to work together because we want to put that model in New Zealand. Because currently, Kano is sending people to Australia in that
Yes.
kind of model. Of course, para sa mga kababayan natin, walang fee. Napakagandang produkto niyan, di ba? At least walang binabayaran yung mga aplikante natin, nakakapunta sila, nakakatrabaho sila sa abroad. Now, we want to apply that to New Zealand. So yun yung eventual. That's why we're working together. Tsaka nga yung mga schools sa Australia din, we can send them to
Sir, yung
Australia na.
ano po yung company nila Sir Carlos tumutulong din
Is it-
mag-assist
yes,
or
yes,
both
we're yan.
or ano po?
Technically, we're gonna all our 3 companies will work together to promote this kasi we have Focus News has a lot of offices.
Yes.
So we'll just para ma-reach natin yung mga kababayan natin na nasa probinsya.
And most of the people here in the Philippines are afraid to apply for Australia because most of the websites in the internet they are all not true. Some of it are scams.
Yan, so we can parang guarantee na wala tong scam.
Scam.
And yun nga pala, meron kaming i-announce ni Carlo kasi yung sa bagong policy sa
Yan.
New Zealand.
Yes.
Carlo, ikaw na mag-announce.
Mag-announce, ayan na.
Kasi di ba dati puro nurses, di ba puro ano. Ngayon,
May good news nga pala. May good news sila, sir.
Announcement.
Ano yung
ang magpapasabi.
bagong policy?
Okay. So yun nga, like what Rainier mentioned, kasi meron mga bagong developments with immigration, especially
Yes.
with their policies. Kasi
Yes.
alam naman natin, their policies can just change overnight. So,
Good policy to, good.
this is a very good policy because it's now favorable for engineers to apply directly for residency. Because in New Zealand,
New
kasi the problem kasi before was the requirement of immigration was that the engineer must have graduated from a school na recognized by a Commonwealth country, or it must have been accredited by a certain body na recognized internationally. So with these changes, maybe possibly because of also what happened in Christchurch,
Sa
na,
Christchurch.
they're rebuilding Christchurch, so they need engineers now.
Okay.
So that must have paved the way for immigration to get engineers from the Philippines.
Wow.
So,
Philippines.
in other words, recognized na ang engineering dito sa Philippines. So they could apply directly for migration, and same as before, they can bring their families along and so forth.
Basically, ito yung mga 4-year degree natin ng mga engineering graduates, structural, civil, chemical, mechanical, electrical, almost lahat. Kahit hindi ka board passer, pwede ka mag-migrate directly sa New Zealand. Basta meron ka ng degree and of course, you work in that capacity. So, yan. Magandang news yan to everyone.
Maraming matutuwa
kasi
po niyan.
additional yan, Miss Irene. Additional yan sa mga pwedeng applyan ng ating mga kababayan
Yes.
sa New Zealand.
Yes.
Is it the same process, no, Sir Rainier? Same process
Same
like yung sa
process.
nurses?
Oo, anyway, kaya nandito si Carlo. Si Carlo kasi yung
Yes.
ating licensed advisor.
Parehong requirement, same process. The advantage lang now is that yun nga, parang if I was explaining before about this list of immigration that has all the professions that they need, yung engineering nandun, but it's already directed to Filipinos also. So parang open na for Filipino.
Ang galing.
Hindi
nakakatuwa.
naman kung mag-a-apply sila, hindi naman yun nga like what siguro like no fee of W, hindi kami naniningil, di ba? To check muna kung pwede. Pag
Yes.
pwede, then we tell them, ito yung mga babayaran mo. Pero kung hindi pwede, we'll tell you, wag na lang.
Wag na
Okay.
lang.
Sa ano ka na lang, no fee of
NoFeeOnW.com. In Australia. Ayan.
Australia na lang.
Pero ang maganda kasi ngayon, Sir Rainier, Sir Carlos, and of course, Sir Kano, Focus New Zealand and Australia. It'll be Focus New Zealand and Focus Australia na.
Parang ganon.
Soon.
Focus New Zealand and
AU.
Australia.
Focus NZ and Focus and AU.
AU for
Diba?
Australia.
Pero ayan, ang magandang news dyan, talagang kung sino yung mga nais mag-apply sa New Zealand or sa Australia, dito na lamang din nila makukontakt si Sir Rainier through Pinoy Swapping Barter din kung nais nilang dumaan dito. At syempre, kung nais pa nilang mas matuto pa tungkol sa mga policies doon sa immigration ng New Zealand and Australia, andito si Sir Carlos and of course Sir Rainier. And ngayon, may bago
Nadagdagan
tayong
na.
kapamilya.
Yes.
Hindi tayo ABS-CBN pero kapamilya na natin si Sir Kano.
Kano.
Sir Kano?
Kaya, yun, again, di ba may, still, barter tayo.
Yes.
Open
Yeah.
pa rin kami doon.
Barter.
Kung meron mga anak nila, gustong pumunta, open pa rin
Ano
tayo.
yung mga
pa rin
pwedeng
po.
ipalit nga pala, Sir Rainier? Ulitin lang natin. Halimbawa, meron tayong mga kamiyembro sa barter. Gusto nilang ipadala ang kanilang mga anak sa New Zealand. Anong pwede nilang ipalit?
Actually, ito pahig na ako dito eh.
Ay,
Diba?
Wow!
Ayan,
no.
aalis na si Sir Chester ang kapalit.
Depende na daw namin sa New Zealand eh.
Oo.
Oo.
Sir. Natutuwa ako. Pero anyway, naku, ang dami-dami na naman natin natutunan ni Sir.
Oo.
Sir Kano, again, invite everyone, pa-invite lang natin. Invite everyone, not just sa nofeeofw.com, but of course, the soon-to-be partnership of Focus NZ and Australia, sir. Go. You have to invite everyone.
Invite
Would you
the
please
viewers.
invite
Yes. Try to
the
apply
viewers?
in nofeeofw.com.
Anyone out there that's interested in looking for a job in Australia or New Zealand, please check out the website. Even if the job that you're looking for is not on there, feel free to send your resume. We have more jobs coming in every month, and I'm in Manila in the Philippines every month to interview and meet new clients, applicants.
Sir, how long have you been here in the Philippines?
We've been doing this for about 5 years, but I've been in the
years.
Philippines for 8 years.
Wow,
8 years.
And do you know any words from Tagalog words, sir?
My friends here have been teaching me a few words. Another time and place.
You should try Pinoy swapping.
Yeah.
Pinoy swapping.
You say Pinoy swapping.
Pinoy swapping.
But swapping what?
Pinoy swapping
swapping.
barter
Okay.
negosyo.
Pinoy swapping barter
You say
negosyo.
Pinoy swapping barter negosyo, sir.
Pinoy swapping bada negosyo.
Yan. With an Australian
You're the next host
accent.
now.
If you want to be a host, you can always
Yeah.
be here. Pero yan, maraming salamat, Sir Rainier. Again, Sir Rainier, meron pang announcement, di ba?
Wala na naman. Thank you lang again for having us here.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you so much, Sir Kano. Sir Carlos, thank you so much sa lahat ng mga nais pong magtanong, especially about New Zealand, Focus New Zealand, sa mga nais pong ipadala ang inyong mga anak, syempre kung mag-aaral sila sa New Zealand. I-contact lang po ang Pinoy Swapping Barter Negosyo para po, kung gusto niyo pong makipag-barter po sa amin. At syempre, kay Sir Rainier, pwede rin po niyong makita din po sa ating mga screen ang contact number po, again, ng Focus New Zealand na si Sir Rainier and of course, Sir Carlos. And again, another member of the family, soon to be member of the family, Sir Kano of Australia. Diba, Sir? Thank you so much. Kano is just his screen name, ha? That's
Screen
Kano.
name.
Yeah, that's the screen name. Maraming salamat, Sir Rainier. Again, thank you so much. Sir Carlos, thank you so much. Sir Kano, thank you so much. Miss Irene, maya-maya lamang po. Madami pa po tayong makakasama. Dito pa rin po yan sa paboritong programa ng bawat negosyanteng Pilipino. Ito ang
Pinoy Swapping Barter Negosyo.
Diyan lang kayo.